Hello again, it's Randy Smith here, and in this video we're going to attempt to show you inside of the Social Crafter AI app and all the wonderful things it can do. So we'll start by logging in. Now when you log in first time after purchase, you'll come straight to this page, but you don't want to be on this page. The first thing you need to do is pop to your settings, and then once you're on your settings, check your name and email's correct, etc. But the important bit is to enter your OpenAI API key. If you don't have one of those, you need to go to OpenAI and get yourself registered for an account. It's different to ChatGPT. If you've got a ChatGPT Plus account, you pay your $20 a month for that. You go to ChatGPT for that. This is via OpenAI, who made ChatGPT, but it's a separate billing issue and far cheaper. You pay for usage, and usage is pennies. So anyway, OpenAI key in there, and from here you could click your new project there, or in the side here you could add your categories. Depending on what you do, you might want to be a social media manager for other people and have categories for their businesses, or you might just run multiple methods of earning online income. So you might have affiliate marketing categories, you might have niche specific categories. The choice is yours. But either way, when you start, you'll start with a new project. You'll give it an internal name for yourself so you know what the project is. You'll mention the target audience that you're trying to appeal to. Now that could be a demographic, it could be an age range, it could be male, female, it could be online marketers. Niche specific wise, it could be Weight Watchers, it could be gym goers, just whatever you can think of. We'll come back to the type of post. Category wise, again, as we've mentioned, either your niche or the business. Language, there's plenty to choose from. Pause the screen if you want to check. And again, writing tone, again, plenty to choose from. Pause the screen if you want to run down those and check. And I do suggest experimenting with them. And also, as with any and every AI training I've ever given or ever discussed, I always suggest tweaking whatever content you get. Now, in terms of the types of content, in this app, I think there was, last I counted, 37. They may have tweaked and added more, but you've got Facebook, different types of Facebook posts and ads, etc. You've got various YouTube, various TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. So it's just about every social media you could think of, and you can create, as I said, different types, a personal Facebook post, a business Facebook post, a Facebook ad, a Facebook audience specific, growing your Facebook page, etc. So try the different ones, and when you're done, you can copy the output, you can export the output via, and it's come down there, doc, text or PDF file. And again, the output that you get, you could add images, you could create hyperlinks to put affiliate links in, bolded, text, italic, all the usual WYSIWYG editor type of scenario here. Now, what I'm going to do now is hand over to Richard to actually demonstrate the product working, because I don't do a lot on social media. It's a great tool, and I may start in the same way that I started posting more often with the Content Crafter app. But yes, so we'll hand you over to Richard and he'll show you everything that works. This end of his screen gets cut off, that's why I wanted to show you this with the writing tone and the languages and what have you. So yeah, over to Richard, who does more on social media than I do. Cheers, guys.
Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to click over here for New Project. So I'm going to click New Project. I'm going to give this a project name. I'm going to use, let's use Home Made Cosmetics. Okay. Target audience is, I'm going to go with female. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start creating, right at the top here, Facebook post personal. Now you can create any one of these as you can see, different social offers. So you can do post, business, Facebook ads, Facebook audience, grow your Facebook page, and you can use every one of these on your campaign. I'm going to show you that works now. So we'll go with type, Facebook post personal, and I'm going to add a category, and I'm going to call this beauty. I'm going to add category. I'm going to use the language as English. I'm going to leave the writing tone as informative. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in the subject details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I make homemade skin care. Write me a post that engages my audience. I'm going to click generate. So the AI is working now, it's generating the content. Let's just wait till this finishes. So you can see that's created that there. So I can come over here, I can export it as a doc, text or PDF. I can also copy it directly and paste it wherever I wish. I can also edit this post here. So if I wanted to, for example, change anything, I can do, but if I wanted to bold anything, I can bold it. I can add an image in there, I can add a link, etc. So what I can do then is I can save all. So I'm going to save all. So you can see that's been created. Now what I can do is I can then go down to Facebook post for business or Facebook ads or just Facebook audience. Let's go with Facebook ads. You can see it keeps everything in there. So this is the whole campaign built, and I can hit generate. So it's again generating the content. So the AI is going away, it's generating the content now. So you can see that's been created. Now again, I can edit this, add anything I want in here like images, add links, etc. Can also export and copy if I wish. Now once I've done that again, I'm going to come back, let's click save all, but I just wanted to show you what happens now. You can see here the project name, Homemade Cosmetics. Now, if I jump back from Facebook ads to Facebook personal, you can see that post is still created. Now I can generate again if I wish, if I'm not happy with that. But if we come back to manage projects, you can see my project is saved here. And anytime I can jump into my project and I can create more content for that project. So let's say I don't want a Facebook post, but I want to generate a TikTok script. Click here. You can see this becomes blank again. Just click generate. So it's asking the AI to generate the content. It's telling to please wait. So you can see this is creating the content now. So you can see it's created the TikTok script. Again, I can export and I can copy. But if I hit save, you can see that's saved. And at any time I can jump back to any of the content that was created previously. So for example, if I go back to Facebook ads, you can see that's there. Then I could jump down to, let's say Pinterest ads. You can see nothing's in there because obviously we've not created anything. I'm going to hit generate. So what this allows you to do, allows you to build up a campaign around a certain project and using just certain subject lines, and you can build up as much content around that project as you wish. So for example, with this, you could have two different projects and you could have a target audience of male and female. And you could have a different subject line, so you can build up a full campaign around your brand in different areas. So again, you can copy this, you can export it as well. If we click save all, if we jump back up here, we could go back to the video script for TikTok, and you can see that still shows. So you can build up a pattern around the project and around certain types of content. Okay, and at any time you can come back in and you can manage your project. You can build up your projects here. Anytime you can jump back in and edit that, delete them if you wish as well. Then you can jump to different categories and you can create full campaigns. Okay, so thank you for watching and watch out for the next video.